Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Commercial Chef 1.1 CUFT microwave, a powerful 1000-watt solution for fast and delicious meals. This compact microwave, weighing 35.3 pounds and measuring 21.3 by 16.1 by 11.7 inches, offers 10 power levels, including 6 one-touch menus with weight and speed defrost, making it perfect for everything from microwave popcorn to pasta. Equipped with easy-to-operate digital controls, you can heat your food from 30 seconds to 99 minutes, and the accurate kitchen timer ensures you know exactly when your meal is ready. With its sleek black design, this countertop microwave features a convenient push-button, turntable, and a spacious 1.1 cubic foot capacity, making it a superior choice for any kitchen. Whether you're grabbing a quick snack or reheating a meal, this microwave accommodates your busy lifestyle by delivering fast and efficient heating. Enjoy the convenience of a microwave that combines style, power, and functionality, allowing you to savor delicious food without wasting time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for the latest in kitchen technology. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.